Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy property listings on Craigslist with Facebook Marketplace step by step. To deploy property listings on Craigslist with Facebook Marketplace, start by creating your property listing on Craigslist. Visit the Craigslist website and select your local area. Choose the housing category and click on apartments/housing for rent or real estate for sale, depending on your listing. Click on Post to create a new listing. Fill out the required fields, including the title, price, and location of the property. Upload high-quality photos that showcase the property effectively. Include a detailed description of the property, highlighting key features and amenities. Review your listing to ensure all information is accurate before submitting. Once your Craigslist listing is live, take note of the URL link. Next, open Facebook and navigate to the Marketplace section. Click on Create New Listing and select either Home for Sale or Home for Rent. Input the relevant details from your Craigslist listing, such as the price and location. For the title, use the same one from your Craigslist ad for consistency. Upload the same photos used in your Craigslist listing to maintain uniformity. In the description box, provide a brief summary of the property, referencing the detailed information available on Craigslist. Include a direct link to your Craigslist listing in the description for interested buyers to see more. Set the appropriate visibility settings for your listing on Facebook Marketplace. Review your Facebook listing to confirm that all details match your Craigslist ad. After confirming accuracy, click on Post to publish your listing on Facebook Marketplace. Monitor both platforms for inquiries and respond promptly to potential renters or buyers. By following these steps, you can effectively deploy your property listings on both Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.